Hello, my name is Laura Maddox. I am for having a code of conduct for business. The code of conduct model is taken after the one currently in place with the American Medical Association and the American Bar Association. This model works for these two associations because there is a clear definition of what a doctor and a lawyer is. Both of those professions have to undergo professional school. They have to take some sort of a license or an exam to maintain their license to practice. And should they wish to remain in good standing with the community and to maintain their license, they must stick to the code of conduct. So there's a clear definition of what a doctor and a lawyer is, and there is a clear outline of what happens should they fail to meet the code of ethics. The challenge of coming up with a code of conduct for business, first of all, is that the scope is too large. So Webster's Dictionary defines business as the activity of making, buying, or selling goods or providing services in exchange of money. Under this definition, a teenager's profession of babysitting, a hotel, a motel, banks, finance, companies, anything falls under this definition of business. What the community wants, I believe, is a more clear code of conduct for finance and banking. But even that scope is a little too large. Finance is defined as the way in which money is used and handled, especially the way in which large amounts of money are used and handled by governments and companies. And then bank, Webster's Dictionary does not have a definition for just bank. However, banking is just the business of operating a bank. The securities industry does have a strict test to take, the Series 7, in order to obtain a license, which would enable you to trade almost any product that you wish to trade. Now, what's interesting is that the banking industry and the securities industry both have a code of conduct. And as you can see with the 2008-2009 financial crisis that was worldwide, I would challenge that whether the current code of ethics for the banking and securities industry is working. So in order to create and enforce a code of conduct moving forward, first, I think we need to define business and narrow the scope. Second, we should require some sort of a license to practice whatever definition of business we come up with. And second of all, in the code of conduct, we should define the consequences. So if you fail to maintain and adhere to this list of ethics, your license may be in question. We may revoke your ability to practice business. Clearly, by following the model set with the AMA and the American Bar Association, I believe we would be able to create a code of conduct of business that would actually be effective. Thank you.